Let's look at the browser element. It's the one that looks like a globe. You can press Shift-B to load it, or click Learn More to see the documentation. The documentation has all the properties, and you can see that the browser element is a very simple element. Let me place one on the screen. It only got the URL and the name. Those are the only properties besides everything related to the geometry that you can set. The URL is the web address that's going to load into the element. You can think of it as a little web browser. You can retrieve web addresses from a database, or you can hardcode them using the property inspector. Regardless of what you do, when you are in design mode, it will show as a little globe, just a placeholder. It only loads the page when you are in play mode. Let me show you. In that case, responsive web design adjusts the web page to fit the rectangle, which is quite convenient, to be honest. Besides that, you also have the browser category in the low-code actions, and you have like a set browser URL action. That's a very handy way to set a browser element. For example, right now it's loading Apply. But let me show you. I'll just place a little button here. And I will add a mouse click. And let's set the browser URL to, I don't know, Google. See, it's very simple to use, and it only displays the web page in play mode. That makes it easier to design because some web pages are transparent or they match the same color as your background, so it becomes hard to figure out where the element is. So having it as a placeholder is really neat, to be honest. I hope you enjoy using the browser element. It's a very versatile. It helps you to show web pages without necessarily leaving your app, which is very useful for lots of like vertical apps that needs to show stuff from other systems. So I hope you make good use of that element. And if you need any help, reach out to us in our forums at forum.apply.io. I can't wait to see how you're going to do with this element. Talk to you soon in another video.